How to get your first Fiverr client using AI, step by step. Want to get your first Fiverr client fast using AI? It's easier than you think. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to set up your Fiverr profile, create gigs, and land clients, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Create a Fiverr profile. First, sign up on Fiverr.com and create a professional profile. Upload a clear profile picture. Write a short bio that highlights your skills, and choose a niche you're comfortable with. You can even use ChatGPT to help write your bio quickly and professionally. Step 2. Create your first gig. Next, create your first gig. Pick a service that's in demand: writing, graphic design, or AI-generated content. Use ChatGPT to write gig descriptions that are clear, professional, and persuasive. Add a catchy title, high-quality image or thumbnail, and packages with clear pricing. Step 3. Send proposals to clients. Now it's time to get clients. Start by sending proposals on Fiverr or responding to buyer requests. ChatGPT can help you write custom proposals that sound natural and convincing. Keep it short, professional, and show that you understand the client's needs. Remember, Keycap 1, create a professional profile. Keycap 2, use AI to make gigs and proposals. Keycap 3, send thoughtful offers to clients. Start today, land your first Fiverr client, and grow your freelancing income online. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Zone, and click the bell for more AI and online income tips.